Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In case of seeing my face first time, my name is Shana and I make videos about lifestyle, hair and beauty. So in today's video, I'm going to show you my favorite date night makeup look that will give you main character vibe. And main character energy asks us to put our wants, needs and self-worth at the forefront when embarking on a date. And wearing makeup can give a confidence boost and helps you enhance your personal appearance. Everyone has an awesome side hidden in some way, and that's where you have to be your own hero and need to bring out best in yourself. So in today's video, I'm going to show you my favorite date night makeup look step by step. And today I'm going to creating a shimmer smoky eye glam makeup look with my favorite Maybelline New York products. So let's start the makeup with the eyes, and for the eyes I'm going to use Maybelline New York City Mini Palette, and I have the Fifth Avenue Sunset. It has natural and warm fiery bronzy red colors, and all the shades are ultra pigmented, and the palette is super handy and comes with a mini brush. So you can create multiple looks with this palette. It has 6 shades, shimmer and matte. So it's perfect for the day and night makeup look. Firstly I'm going to use this matte shade, and I only apply on my eyelids like this. Now I'm going to take this brown shade and I'm going to apply the shade on the crease like this, and I also apply the same shade under my lower lash lines. Now I'm taking this dark brown shade and placing it on the outer corners like this, and I also apply the same shade under my lower lash lines just a little bit. Now I'm using the small brush which comes with the palette, and I'm taking this glitter shade. Firstly I'm applying on the lids like this, and then little bit under my lower lash lines. Now I'm going to use the shade again and going to smooth out crease line. Now I'm using this glitter shade and just applying on the center of my lids like this, just a little bit, and also a little bit under my lower lash lines. Now I'm going to use this Maybelline New York Tattoostudio Smokey Gel Pencil. It's sweat, fade and smudge resistant and lasts up to 36 hours. And you can create a smoky eye look with this pencil because it has smudge on the other side. And today I'm going to apply only on my upper waterlines like this. Now I'm going to line my upper lash lines with the Maybelline New York Line Tattoo High Impact Liner. It's waterproof and lasts up to 36 hours. It has precise tape and one stroke blackout intensity. I'm just creating a very thin line like this. Now to complete this eye makeup look, I'm going to use mascara, and today I'm going to use this Maybelline New York Sky High Mascara. It's waterproof and comes with a flex brush. It gives limitless length and volume, and also has lightweight formula. I apply the mascara on my both upper and lower lashes. You can see the difference. It adds so much volume in my lashes. So now eye makeup is done, and let's move on to the brows. Now for the brows, firstly I'm going to use Maybelline New York Tattoo Brow Pencil. It sculpts the brows to give a natural defined look. It has unique sword tip that helps achieve perfect defined brows, and the dense spoolie that allows effortless blending. Firstly I brush my brows with the spoolie, and then I just fill the gaps, and then I use spoolie again just to blend out product. Now I'm going to use Maybelline New York Tattoo Brow Gel. It sculpts the brows to give a full fluffy natural look. It's available in 4 different shades, and it's transfer proof, smudge proof and waterproof. It has two-way mini brush. You can apply the product very easily and effortlessly. And for the lips, I'm going to use Maybelline New York Superstar Matte Ink Liquid Lipstick, and I'm using the shade number 210 Versatile. It's highly pigmented and gives flawless matte finish, and it's very long lasting and blends really easily, and it's fade proof and transfer proof. And here's the before and after. Now this is the final look. This look is perfect for the date night. It gives main character energy and goodness vibe. You can create this makeup look with the Maybelline New York products. Get the products and recreate this look. And all products links I will leave in description box below. So check out there, and I hope this video will help you, and hope you enjoy this video. And if you do, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. And yeah, see you in the next one. Bye.